It's Tie-Dye Tuesday. In this week's episode, we'll learn how to make an alien. Take a shirt that's been soaked in soda ash and spun out in a washing machine. The shirt should be slightly damp. Isolate the front of the shirt. We can do this by pushing one sleeve through the other and lining up the seams. Draw an alien with washable marker. We'll start by pleating along the outer line of the alien's face. Take care to keep pleats as even and straight as possible. Bind with sinew. Next is the mouth. We'll pleat along the outer edge of the mouth following the line. Keep straight and as even as possible. Bind with sinew. After the mouth, we'll move on to the nose. For this, we'll fold the nose in half along its vertical line of symmetry and pleat. Bind with sinew. Finally, the eyes are just like the nose. Find the center line of symmetry, fold in half, and pleat. Bind with sinew. Once we've got the face tied up, we can move on to the rest of the shirt. You can fold the rest of the shirt any way you want. We will just do random large pleats for this design. Once folded, we will want to bind in even parallel segments from the outer edge of the alien's face. If you need to store the tied up shirt, it's helpful to wrap in plastic or store in a plastic tote. This helps keep the moisture in the tied up shirt. Now it's time to dye. Remember, you can use any colors you want. With the nose, mouth, and eyes pointed down, apply black dye along the outer edges line. Apply green to the alien's face. Flip the piece so that the nose, mouth, and eyes are pointed up. Apply black dye along the outer edges line, the nose, the mouth, and the eyes. Apply green to the rest of the face. Wrap the face section in plastic. This helps keep dye from getting onto your already dyed segments. Again, we can use any colors we want. For this video, we'll use the 6-color rainbow. Apply dye in each section. Flip the shirt and apply the same dye used on the other side to each section. Store shirt in plastic bag or tote. Let sit for at least 24 hours and at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cured, it's time to open this piece. Cut sinew very carefully. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you're looking for more of a challenge, check out this video. Be sure to visit my website www.dirtyhippielaundry.com for all of your tie-dye needs. Thanks again. See y'all next week.